The Skype is like tweaking out here. We have Grandpa here and he sounds like a chipmunk. Are you okay
Talk.
over there?
Talk.
Alright, call us back.
We're almost through, almost through. Almost through, almost through. Almost through. Oh dear. You wanna go do ice cream? It's pretend, but we can have fun doing it. Yeah, in just a minute. Look at, she's dancing while she's playing music. Whoa, whoa, oh! The biggest smile ever. Oh, you can get it all over the ground. What is it? What is it? You can come show me? You gonna come show me? It's something yummy and chocolate. Chocolate. You found that on the ground? Now you're making a mess with it, huh?
You can buckle yourself? You're amazing. To celebrate the first day of school, we're gonna go swimming, not at our pool, but at one of the city pools. One of the coolest city pools.
Yeah.
You guys ready? You guys excited? Pretty cool city pool. It's got 2 big slides, a lazy river. There's the lazy river over there. It's got these 2 big slides up here. And then it's got this big old water contraption.
Here we go.
Pretty sweet. Did you get in the big splash?
Stay on this side. When you stay on this side, she's gonna go down this side.
Okay, I'll go catch her. Whoa, you made it. 6:18, 113 degrees. Freaking hot. That is way hot.
Good boy.
What's he doing?
Going back for
Wants to be carried like a baby.
Oh.
Hey,
Hi, baby.
I don't want to leave. It's too much fun. That was about the worst cow impression I've ever done. So that pool was only $7.50 for the whole family. Can you believe that? It's insane. How much would Sunsplash cost?
Like $100.
$100, like 20 bucks a piece or something like that.
Probably about that. 15 or 20.
So $7.50 for the whole family. It's like $1 for each kid and $2. I don't know, something like that.
Yeah.
About that. $1.25.
It's like $1.50 or something.
Something. Anyway, it's a fun time.